Hey guys, Crazed Togaluga's here, and today we have a miniature unboxing for you
Miniature unboxing. Last episode
we showed you how to do stuff, but also in this episode we'll do a miniature unboxing. Should we do Gals of Summer or Dark Heroes?
Alright, so whenever you start off, it's better to do probably Dark Heroes.
Alright, how about we do one ticket in each, and then we'll
Gals of Summer first.
Alright then.
Always
That is very loud.
Gosh, it's loud.
But PogoCat is a very good cat.
When you upgrade him.
Yes, Jiangxi Cat is very good also.
Dark Heroes is now, if we get something good from this would be really good. Really good in this.
By the way, we're going to be using every cat that we get
that.
that's not new. If it's not new, then we can exchange it to XP.
And two lucky tickets.
One more in Dark Heroes.
Is that the upgraded version of Thor?
This is regular Viking Cat.
Mm.
And we got 3 lucky tickets.
Now the lucky tickets, they give you lils. Lils are the beginning
Small.
but small. Yeah, they're miniature. 30,000 XP. We need that.
Right now. Well, cool kitty cat. And what you just saw there, should we get it? Actually, I need to do one more thing. And this is how you get one more drop.
The reason we're trouble on the level, then if we have the cats, if you get
Dark Heroes or Gals of Summer? Here, you know what? Let's check which one's Uber chance is higher.
Then we'll do it because we need an Uber right now. But Sunny Nanako is really good.
Sunny Net 5% for this and a 0.3 for the
5%.
legendary. And
Alright.
okay, then that was already scrolled down. Where is it? Oh, it's loading. 5%. Okay.
5% both.
But we
you want to do
do.
rock, paper, scissors for it? And
Yeah, I'll be Gals of Summer. You can be Dark Heroes.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. First one, me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won.
Right, so that's
Dark
another
Heroes.
for Dark Heroes. I'm very sad that we decided to make that rule.
Fintercat is bad. If you aren't doing what we're doing, do not.
Don't do this if you're us. If you really
how do you? This isn't the. There's only amount of time to.
Because then there wouldn't be
I love
special.
I love the face on Mythical Titan Cat. It's great.
It's amazing.
I would for sure use Viking Cat.
Yeah, Viking Cat is very good for tearing down little peons.
Did you put in Mythical?
I am about. Well, it's not mythical yet.
Yet.
Special Cats, and Lil.
We'll
This is our loadout for now.
For now.
Just for now.
First episode. Whenever we do big unboxings, I'm ready for this.
But also, another thing, we definitely need to upgrade stuff. There's power, range, efficiency 2 times. Efficiency, health, research control, accounting, study,
Yeah, there we go.
and now you will have a pretty good cat base set up.
We aren't clicking the...
We're not going to click
Wait, we need
this
to,
because it usually crashes.
Go to treasures. And the treasures here. Let me show them. Wait, is this the first one?
This is the first one.
So, explain what the treasures are.
Treasures are like an added bonus. If you get all of the treasures in a stage, which to get a treasure it's RNG, then you'll get a speed up. Well, this isn't for all of them, but you'll get a boost in, like,
Some people
say,
don't know what RNG
money.
is.
How do they not know what RNG is?
Some people don't. I don't know.
It's a random number. That's all it is. You have a small chance to get it, but that chance is actually kind of high, and I should not have said small. But I think that's
But it's
it
not super high. After, like, the...
I think that's it for this episode.
Ah.
This is Crazed Togalugas.
Wait, did you show him how to do the card?
Yeah, that was in the last video, Ren.
I was being dumb.
This is Crazed Togalugas
And
signing off.
again.